Hi guys, how are you today? This is Z Berman and Tip of the Week for Revit. And today we're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts. Just before I start, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to get any notifications, just hit the bell. Great, let's get on to it. So we got here one of our sample projects here in Revit, and today I'm gonna explain to you a little bit about keyboard shortcuts. So we can always go into the comments and the ribbon here on the top, and we can just go wall, but instead of actually selecting the command and going inside, we could just type in WA. That's gonna put us in basically creating a wall. Let's say I'm gonna create it, and then if I want to, let's say, put in a window, so I would go into architecture, and then instead of actually putting in a window, I'm just going to type in WN, and automatically I can place that window inside. Now, this is of course a great way for you guys to work much faster. But what's good about it is that you don't have to come out of the command. You can basically just continue typing and it goes automatically into the next command. Now, so let me just escape out of this. So I got a wall and I got a window. Now, what I want to talk also is about snaps. So again, I'm going to type in WA for the wall command. And now if I'm going to press SC, it's going to actually, look for center points. So let me just see here. Can you see? Can you see? It's basically looking for the center point. That's just a fast way to find center points in your drawings. And yeah, so that's one. Another one is SM. If I type SM, it's gonna actually look for the midpoints. And you see, I didn't really go out of the command. I just typed in SM right after I typed SC. Can you see it's looking for the midpoints? So yeah, it's always here looking for the midpoints, and this is where you can actually find these commands. Just a very fast and short way to do that. Now, how do you know about the snaps and where do you find about those shortcuts? So if I go here up to manage, let me just escape a couple times. If I go up here to manage, I got here at the top, at the end here where it's in the settings, I have here, the ribbon, we have snaps. And you can see here, it shows us all of the shortcuts for that. So we have the endpoints, the midpoints, nearest, all of these centers like we did. So you see all of these little points and actually snaps are basically, you can use these shortcuts to find those snaps and get those snaps really quickly in your drawings. Okay, I'll okay out of that. Now, a couple of other shortcuts would be if I press on the keyboard Control W, I can actually save the file and close out, go out. And I'm just gonna okay that. If I'm gonna basically draw a wall, see again, instead of going into wall, I'm just gonna type in again WA. I'm gonna create a wall, and let's say I created it. Escape a couple times. Let's say I want to undo that. I go Control Z, okay, and then it disappeared. But then I said to myself afterwards, well, actually I do need it, so I could select Control Y on the keyboard, and it's going to basically bring that object back. And yeah, that's it pretty much, guys. I'm just going to show you last thing. Basically, when you want to change anything in your keyboard shortcuts and you want to edit and you want to actually change or add a keyboard shortcut, you go up here to View, you go down here to User Interface, you go here to Keyboard Shortcuts, and actually there's even a keyboard shortcut a shortcut for that. You can just press KS, that will take you to keyboard shortcuts. And here basically you have all the commands and you can see basically all the shortcuts that are already listed. If you want to add a new one, you can come to one of them and basically you can also search for it, of course, up here. But afterwards, after you actually search for it and you are ready to add it. So let's say type properties. So let's say you want to add a new keys, let's say TP, or let's say TP1, TP, let's say. So you do TP and then you go here, assign, okay? And that would basically take you to type properties automatically. If you assign here, I'm not going to do that right now, but you can see automatically when you assign, okay, you know what, I'll do that. Then you can see here, it's already here, it's in the shortcuts. And then when I go okay, I can actually use that as a keyboard shortcut. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. And again, if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to get any notifications, just hit the bell. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.